Alright, given our recipe, go right 1 unit means go up 2 units, or go right R units means go up 2R units. Whatever the right, we're going to call the amount that we go right R, and then the amount that we go up is going to be 2R. Well, if we had a different name for the up, maybe U for up, then we would have a relationship, namely U equals 2R. Alright, seems good. Well, what if we didn't start down in this corner back here and we actually started up B units? Well then, how far up would we go? We started up B units, so if we went right R units, we'd go up 2R units, and we'd be a total of B units plus the 2R, so we'd have U equals 2R plus B. Namely, the up units is 2 times the amount that we go right, plus the amount that we started up already at the beginning. Alright, all well and good. Well, mathematicians for some reason or other decide to use X for the number of units that we've gone across to the right, and Y for the number of units we've gone up. So if instead of U and R, we use Y and X, we now end up with something that's pretty close to our standard equation for a line, namely Y equals 2X plus B, where B is the bit that we started up in the initial bit. Well, there was nothing special about 2. We could have said for every R units we go across, we go up MR units. Right? That would have been a slope M. Go up M times whatever we go across. Well, if you went through that whole sequence again, all you would end up with, the only thing that would change would be that 2. And so now we end up with our standard equation for a line. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is how far up we started. Alright, so that's all well and good. Now remember those monsters that stretched? And remember that in order to have them both stretch and miss each other, we needed to align them so that their stretching happened in the same direction? Well, that was just having the same m. And so any 2 lines that have the same m, well, we call those lines parallel. So monsters that stretch in the same direction, have the same m, give us parallel lines. And so now you know what parallel means when we think about our formula for a line. Excellent.